the CGM method does not work for Indian wavy hair.
For your hair to look this gorgeous, they require a different treatment. I'm sorry. Same baat hai hi nahi. Let's find out why. Indian wavy hair has to be treated a little differently. This is how my natural wave is. And whenever I apply the curly girl method, bade flat hair aate hain. Wavy hair is just different. So I'm going to share with you what I do. Use it if you like it. If you feel it's total bullshit. Now I have realized that my wave is like this. It is short and tighter. My daughter's wave is much broader, so that comes in very, big waves like this. The most important thing is that we don't comb our hair between washes. Otherwise, your hair will become frizzy. You comb your hair once before the wash and then you comb it once again, which I will share with you as we go ahead in the playlist. So as you can see, the wave has opened up, has become all frizzy and floofy, which we don't want, right? I then oil my hair. My absolute favorite oil continues to be the 90-day miracle oil. I start by washing my hair with the gentlest rice water shampoo. And the reason I use the gentlest rice water shampoo and conditioner is because I've realized the softer my hair is, the better I'm able to style it like this. Just make sure that your hair is nicely wet and drenched, but soaking wet before you go in with the shampoo. My favorite is, of course, you already know it. Okay, if you're new to the channel, it's the Daughter Earth shampoo and conditioner. मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत reviews करे हैं. I'm going to link it in the description box. Catch it over there. You have to use this shampoo to know how beautifully your hair just softens with the first wash itself. Absolutely love this product. Once your hair is beautifully softened, now I color my hair. As you can see, I have premature graying, so I've been doing my root touch-up for years together, but I also do fashion colors. So, काफी dry and dehydrated hair hai, but they don't look dry and dehydrated because I take care of them, right? The second most important thing that I do for my hair is I use the Schwarzkopf Spa Essence Enriching Cream Mask. Now this is again a product that I've spoken about over and over again. You finish your shampoo and then you go in with this. This is the product which is so freaking economical. 450 rupees आपको आराम से 7 to 8 months से last करता है, and you can go in right from here because it's a mask. You don't have to worry. Right from here you can do it. Now the thing is, conditioner you can only use at the dead end. अगर आप ऊपर use करेंगे, your hair will become flat, right? But you need hydration here, and so I have realized that using a mask and then following it up with a conditioner is the best treatment for my hair. I know a lot of people in the previous comments said, "Arey, you should not use mask. We're using conditioner." अरे पापा मेरे बाल हैं, मेरे बालों को दोनों चाहिए, mask भी चाहिए, conditioner भी चाहिए. That is why they look so good, because this mask gives it intense hydration. And when my hair is hydrated, they are happier hair. So I apply it all over. And then I go in with the purple rice quinoa Daughter Earth conditioner, which just does a beautiful job of sealing all the cuticles, making them super soft and beautifully nourished. So what I do is I apply the mask and almost immediately I go in with the conditioner. Then I keep the conditioner and mask combination on my hair for about 5 minutes or 6 minutes maybe. I've never timed it, but by the time I finish my body bath, then is when I wash my hair out. After that, I put on a towel and let my hair just get towel dried. I don't want it to be dry at any point. It should be just not dripping, but still has to be wet. So once you come out, comb your hair out. In the curly girl method, they do clumping, but what we need to do is we need to comb your hair out. Don't worry about losing the wave. वो वापस आएगा वो वापस, I promise you. Once you've done with that, then you're going to go in and apply the mousse. Now, then I go in with this absolutely beautiful product. This is the Fix My Curls Weightless Whip Mousse. You take this mousse and you work it into your wet hair. The trick is to apply it on wet hair and then leave your hair ऐसे उठा के आप उसको छोड़ दीजिए. And I've spoken about this clip. You lift your hair with that mousse and you pin it up very loosely over here behind. इससे what will happen is this body will get maintained, and once your hair is dried, you leave it and you get this beautiful curve that we all love, the poof that we all love, right? Now, this kind of flexibility you get very beautifully when you have wavy hair, because you can mold your hair. And for me, for some reason, a lot of my hair in front is completely straight and then they get little wavy, but a lot of the hair inside is very wavy, as you can see here. I'm then going to comb. The CJ method suggests that we clump our hair, but I realized it doesn't work for the wavy hair, because unlike curls which you want कि उनका bunches बन जाए, the wavy hair you want every wave to come out beautifully, right? So, and because we've used such beautiful mask and such a beautiful conditioner, it combs without any problem. You can see over here, no hair loss at all. Once you divide your hair, the first product that you go in with is this beautiful product called Fix My Curls Leave-In Cream. It's absolutely sensational. It's non-greasy, very light, made with great ingredients. I don't want to do an ingredient review. I will do that later on if it interests you, but it's really a beautiful product. You take just a little bit of quantity and you apply generously all over your hair. Now, even the cream instructions say that you should clump it, but it didn't work for my wavy hair because I want every wave to be separate, right? So I use the cream like this and then I go into my hair because I want all my hair to be covered. Don't be worried about using too much, because if your hair is very dry, you need that much, right? Go into your hair. Don't do the clumping method. You want this to coat all your hair very well. So you go in, especially you go inside of your hair. That's incredibly important. And then, so that आपके अंदर के बालों में भी cream लगेगा, right? You want your 100% of your hair to have this cream. Once you're done with that, just clump at the edges over here, because you don't want the edges to dry out like a sharp needle. You just do that, and then you go in with a gel. This gel, Fix My Curl Gel, is again just a beautiful product. The product instruction says that you just need to prayer hand karke, just need to clump your hair. But that doesn't work for my wavy hair, because I want all the waves to be individual and separate. So I'm going to massage it into my hands and I'm going to go into my hair just like I went for the cream. I don't know why they put the sticker here. I've tried to remove it, but it doesn't come because this is a very soft packaging. So I'm just going to leave it here, but I have the product in the description box, so make sure you catch it. Brilliant gel. You take this gel and then again you work it through your hair. In the curly girl method, they take the gel and they just clump, clump, clump and clump, clump, clump. Wavy hair did not work for me like that. I needed the cream and the gel worked into my waves. So I go in and I go in and I go in and I go in and I cover the entire length of my hair. It's a lot of product I have taken, but for the gel it goes for both sides. For even more extreme waves, you can actually comb without having to worry, because as you can see, there are no knots. बिल्कुल भी knot नहीं है with the cream and the gel. Wave सीधी हो जाएगी? नहीं होगी, because then we are going to shake our hair. And that is the magic of Indian wavy hair. So much easier to manage. After I've opened up all the waves, I'm just going to shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake me Rani, shake me Rani. Give it a really good shake. And as you can see, your wave is back. Once I'm done with that, then I just let it air dry to this magnificent beauty. Check out my hair. And I'm so happy sharing this with you because it is so beautiful to finally find out what is the way your hair is naturally most beautiful. In the night, I put on a headscarf just to maintain the waves and I'm done. Indian wavy hair really requires a lot of hydration and it needs the cream to kind of hold the hydration and give body to the hair, and it needs the gel to lock in all the products so that your hair stands like this. Now you might find that some of the hair in between is a little straight and थोड़ा सा वो poker हो जाता है, थोड़ा सा hard हो जाता है, You just take that and crunch it a little bit and leave it. And it's completely fine. So next day morning we are here and your hair can be a little loose, nice and loose. And अगर आपने चोटी भी बनाई है तो आपके बाल ऐसे रहेंगे. But अगर आपको supposing fresh करना है, जैसे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा fresh करना है, मेरे बाल यहाँ पे बिल्कुल straight है, magic. So what I do is I take this product called the keratin hair curl. This can be used for wavy hair, curls hair, whatever. It's a very good product, and you take this and you spray it here. Almost finished hair. And you just crunch it. तो आप देख रहे हो ये सारे फिज चले जाता है and the hair kind of becomes same जैसे पहले था. And your hair will come back to how it was looking पहले. Look at this coil. And your hair will become like this, like the usual. So इतना बुरा हाल नहीं है. I remember because of the gel and cream, your hair doesn't lose its shape. And that is also the difference between wavy hair and curly hair. Curly hair आप plait नहीं कर सकते. You have to make sure that twirl stays. But with wavy hair आपकी flexibility बहुत ज़्यादा है. You can be like this, and the next day you are like, it's as good as it was on the first day. Extremely manageable and extremely beautiful. This coil. As you can see here, the wave is very beautifully maintained even though this is day 3. This is what I've discovered works best for my Indian wavy hair. I just love the way it keeps my wave without it looking stiff, without it looking out of control, just beautifully gorgeous. Now some of you might feel that CGM method is great for you. You must do what works for you. It is so important because everybody's hair is again different, just like everybody's skin is different. Let me know what your secrets are too. I'm going to meet you in the comment section.